Hello, my name is Asta Gupta and today I am going to present on the topic regulatory requirements for product approval for biologics. Let's just talk about what are biologics. Biologics are the products manufactured, extracted or semi-synthesized from a biological source which are regulated by FDA and are used to prevent, cure and treat certain diseases and medical conditions. These are generally large complex molecules produced through biotechnology in a living system such as microorganism, plant cell or animal cell. There are certain regulatory authorities for biologics, that is CBER. Center for Biologics Evaluation and Research is the center within FDA that regulates biological products for human use under applicable federal laws including the PHS, that is Public Health Services Act and the Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetics Act. CBR protects and advances the public health by ensuring that the biological products are safe and effective. FDA's regulatory authority for the approval of biologics resides in PHS Act. Biologics are subjected to regulation under Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act. Some medical devices which are used to produce biologics are regulated by CBER under FDA-NC Act, Medical Device Amendments of 1976. FDA also reviews new biological products and new indications and usage for already approved products on the market for the treatment of known diseases. It protects against threats of emerging infectious diseases, and it provides the public with information to promote safe and appropriate use. The development and approval process for the biologics include advertising and labeling, investigational new drug application or design or device exemption process, expand access, pre-market approval, and biologic, that is a BLA, biologics license application or new drug application process. For the biologics to introduce into the market, there is a license application, that is the BLA, biologics license application is requested. But the biologic license application is a request for permission to introduce or deliver for introduction of biological product into the market. It is mainly regulated by 21 CFR 600 to 800. It is submitted by any legal person or entity who engage in manufacture or an applicant for a license who takes responsibility for compliance with product and establishment of standards. A biologics license application generally applies to vaccines, allergen drug products, genetics and cellular therapies. Here is the application to market a new drug biologic application or an antibiotic drug for human use. So here is the new drug or biologic application. The first is the index, then second the labeling and application summary. The review sections include chemistry, non-clinical pharmacology and toxicology, human PK bioavailability, clinical microbiology, clinical data, statistical data, and safety updates, case report tabulations, etc. Then there's the cover letter or transmittal form, that is FDA form 356H, which includes patent information, establishment description, field copy certification, financial disclosure, patent certification, department certifications, user fee cover sheet, and other, that is for pediatric patients. The application includes name and address of sponsor and others, product name, reason for submission, information contained in the submission, agreements within the FDA, other documents relating to submission, special circumstances, fast track review. Application form FDA 356H, that is the cover letter. First, it is an administrative document providing CBER with information on the applicant, product and application. Second, it is a legal contract binding the applicant, contractors, suppliers and physicians to FDA laws and regulations. Here's the sections include. The section 1, it includes index. It influences speed and efficiency of the reviewer. Applicants can use this format for indexing the BLA. The section 2 includes the labeling section. This section encompasses the initial draft labeling submitted with the BLA and the final printed labeling that is submitted just prior to licensure. Labeling includes the immediate container label, carton label, insert and user instructions. The section 3, that includes the summary section, it serves as a guide to the full application. That is, it explains the application's intent to establish the biologic safety and effectiveness for a particular indication. It can build CBER's confidence in the applicant, the validity of the BLA's information and the product itself. It acts as pivotal in establishing a foundation for product approval. Section 4, it includes the chemistry section. The BLA's chemistry section is composed of 3 parts, that is chemistry, manufacturing and controls information. Second, samples. Third, methods validation package. Section 5th, non-clinical pharmacology and toxicology section. The CBER reviews these studies to evaluate their adequacy and comprehensiveness and to ensure that there are no inconsistencies or toxic effects. Section 6 include human pharmacokinetics and bioavailability. Section 7 microbiology. Section 8 clinical data section. Section 9 safety update report. Section 10 statistical section. Section 11 case report tabulations, etc. Establishment compliance with good manufacturing practice is now primarily assessed during the pre-approval inspection performed by the FDA prior to the final approval of the BLA. In August 2001, CBER and CDER issued a draft guidance document. This document is labeled as draft not for implementation. This guidance is of special interest to biologics manufacturers for two reasons. It is labeled as not for implementation. It is specifically restricted to specified biotechnologies product. Specified biotechnology products, originally termed well-characterized biological product, is applied to four distinct class of products. First, therapeutic DNA plasmid products. Second, therapeutic synthetic peptide products of 40 or fewer amino acids. Third, monoclonal antibody products for in vivo use. And last, therapeutic recombinant DNA derived products. Thank you.